Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the Lightroom catalog that shows missing photo badges. This tells you which folders need relinking. Once done, open Finder or File Explorer and confirm the new location of those originals so you know where to point Lightroom. Make sure to back up the catalog now. This is quick and prevents data loss. Then, select one missing photo in Grid View and click the exclamation mark to trigger the Relink dialog. That first action begins the automated relinking flow. You will now point Lightroom at the new folder so it can restore links for many files at once. When the Locate dialog opens, navigate to the correct folder and pick the exact file Lightroom requested. Then check the option to find nearby missing photos if present. This tells Lightroom to scan that folder for other missing items and relink by file name. If files were renamed, use manual selection or match by file name. Patience here speeds up relinking across whole shoots. Once Lightroom has relinked files, scroll through the library to confirm thumbnails and metadata are intact. You should no longer see the missing photo badge. If some photos are still missing, double-check that drive letters, root folder names, or mount points didn't change. Adjust the top-level folder link and retry. If performance or previews act odd, rebuild previews and optimize the catalog. One quick troubleshooting tip. If relinking fails widely, restore the catalog backup and relink a single subfolder to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.